Big organisations tend to be for big companies, but actually Sage comes right down to our level. I'm the founder and managing director of Bluelemon Safety and Training, or BEST as we like to be known. We provide strategic and operational health, safety and environmental support within the event industry. Our latest project, we put in a Christmas market and a very small fairground at King's Cross, just outside the front of the station. After we'd finished the build and it was all ready to open, I then went back with Kaz and we undertook a food hygiene inspection to make sure that the organiser was protected and the public were protected. As we got bigger, we started to get more diverse. We went from one customer to set up on our system to 300. And we started to lose track of payments and it became very, very cumbersome. We moved on to Stripe, and Stripe was taking sort of 7-8 days between payments being received. And I was having a phone call with Stripe one day and this lady said, oh yeah, we can put you on to a faster payment with Sage. You need to have less than 5% of chargebacks. And she said, oh, you've had none. So if you've got no chargebacks, it means we must be getting things right. And that's what we're aiming for. It's about getting things right the first time. We took a bold step and decided to move accounts.
The main thing that attracted us to Sage was the fact that it could offer us customer support that was live support. The fact that it had a system that integrated the HR part of it with the actual accounts for payroll.
We'd come on board with a slightly changing system and a lot of historic data needed to get that in. Kaz was spending a lot of time with Sage.
They literally talked us all the way through how to correct all of the VAT mistakes that had gone through from our previous accounting system.
I was impressed with the type and the amount of reports that I could pull off. When I went to look at suppliers and customers, they were very easy to find.
Sage has really aided the growth of our company. It has saved us so much money.
It's made a fundamental change from what was a slog, now it's just done.
It's just that reassurance of knowing someone's there.
It's getting back to what I said earlier about getting it right first time, and that's what makes the difference.